This is the screen. See here we have two options not active, USB and HDMI. Settings page. And I don't have the original card. The card was supposed to be here. I don't have it. I have that SIM card. Yes, that's it.